Good morning, everyone. So today is gonna be our last beach day here in Puerto Escondido. We're gonna head to some of the beaches that we haven't been to yet, pretty much the rest of the beaches that are around here. And we just got here by the Colectivo, and that was 8 pesos. We're loving the Colectivo so far. We're actually saying it's probably the best public transport we've seen anywhere, because all you have to do is stop for like 30 seconds or a minute max sometimes, and yeah, they just pick you up. And it's always the same fixed price, so there's no like haggling or anything. So yeah, that's awesome. We've been absolutely frying out here in Puerto Escondido. By far the hottest place, right, in Mexico. It's so hot. I think it's the first place where we just sweat in like crazy, just walking around. So yeah, can't wait to get in that water. And this is one of the first beaches that we're going to. Playa Manzanillo. Alright, so we arrived at the beach. We decided to stay at this part with the sunbeds here. So this is Playa Manzanillo, and over there's another one called Playa Puerto Angelito. I think we can walk there. And they have loads of places with these beds all around there. They'll harass you a bit once you arrive. And we decided to get the bed because, yeah, it's just so hot. We don't want to stay out in the sun. There's not much natural shade either. And this one we don't have to pay anything, but we just got to eat here. And the prices seem pretty good, so that's why we decided to stay at this spot. So right now we just got some natural coconuts, which are 50 each, I think. I'm gonna get 2 of those. So here is the coco frio. They've actually cut the bottom like flat, so yeah, you can just rest it down. That's nice. And it also has an orange. Never seen that before. Is it frio?
Very, very cold.
Very frio?
Yeah, very
Oh, nice. Oh, that's like ice cold. That might be one of the coldest coconuts I've ever had. I can taste a bit of the orange as well.
I can't.
No?
No.
So we just rented this snorkel here for an hour and 30 minutes, 50 pesos. And I think there's supposed to be loads of fish around these rocks. Our first snorkeling in Mexico.
Yeah.
Even though we've been here so long.
Yeah, we snorkeled in a cenote, but
not in the ocean. Yeah. Hopefully it's good.
helping the fisherman, or I don't know, the tour guy.
Yeah, today's workout. So guess what we ordered to eat once again? Filete de pescado. I think we've eaten that 3 vlogs in a row.
Yeah. Yeah, sometimes we want to eat like quesadilla or the other one.
Burrito.
Yeah, but they only have for breakfast.
Breakfast menu.
Yeah.
I bet if you ask though, they'll still do it.
Yeah, maybe, but we like the fish anyway.
Yeah. So we got the garlic one, al ajo, and it also comes with some fries, avocado, other vegetables, and rice. And it was 165, I think, right? So not too bad because we're right on the beach. So we're going to be heading out of this place now. That was the beach we were just at back there. And we're going on this walkway over here. So this is the other beach, Playa Angelito. Seems a lot busier. Yeah, I think our beach was a bit better, right?
Yeah, more relaxed.
Yeah, has more boats, this one as well. Pretty nice viewpoint here though. Yeah, it is a cool viewpoint. So we're going to be heading to another beach now. It's about 30 minutes away walking, and we don't really want to walk in this heat, so I think we're just going to get a taxi there.
¿Hay punto de taxi aquí o no?
Gracias.
A veces entran,
So this beach here is called Playa Bacocho, Bacocho Beach, and it was only like 8 minutes in the taxi from that last place. Cost 35 pesos, so not that much. But check this out, this is a huge beach, huge empty beach almost. No idea how far it goes down there, but yeah, as you can see, this is just all nature. There's not a single building or hotel back there. I don't think there's any construction anywhere, right?
No, maybe it's a reserve or something.
Yeah, it might be. And we actually came here because they have this project where they release little baby turtles into the sea. I think it's at 5 p.m. So we're gonna do that. What?
It's over there.
Oh, okay. It's this building here. Yeah, so we're looking forward to doing that. Oh, it looks like it's nice and calm for swimming.
Kind of.
Kind of. So we found our spot here in the shade of a palm tree. This big guy here. And there's actually a beach club here, so there is some options if you don't want to just be out in the sun all day. And behind us here there's some camping, I think, so there's some like people in tents and hammocks. So yeah, I'm not sure if you have to pay for that. I imagine you have to pay something. And there's another beach down there, it's called Playa Coral. I don't think I'm gonna walk all the way down there, but probably take my drone out soon and should be able to see it. this coast has been amazing so far to fly the drone, because you obviously have like a lot of waves, you have the cliffs, different rock formations, and the beaches obviously. So yeah, there's a lot of different things to film when I'm up there. Definitely more waves on this one.
Yeah.
But it's still nice.
Yeah. The water seems to be clear here.
Yeah, it does. Even far out, it's quite clear.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's super clear, this water. Really nice. Alright, now it's turtle time. Baby turtle time.
Yeah, so I just went there and paid for it. It was 100 pesos per person, and they gave me these two, I don't know what is this. Oh.
Is it coconut? No, right?
No, it's something else, but...
Oh, that's tiny though, so they're going to be even smaller than this thing.
Yeah, that's where the turtles will be.
Yeah. Oh, they're really trying to escape, right? Maybe we should release it quickly. Right, Carol?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Más allá? No. Oh my god.
Oh. Oh, he's really trying to escape. Okay, here. Alright, go on, little dude.
Good luck.
You release yours?
Yeah.
Go on, dude, you can make it.
Well, mine is winning.
Yeah, Carol's is way ahead. Yeah, so it's kind of hard to see, they're all tiny. I think Carol's is way ahead, all the way over there. Yeah, that was really cool. It went by pretty quick because those things are super eager just to leave the little shell and get to the water. From what she said, they only pretty much have energy just to get to the water. And then once they use up that energy, I think they don't even eat for 2 weeks after they get in the water. And if you're wondering why I got 2 and nobody else did, it's because I got the name right of the turtle. She actually told everybody the name in the explanation at the start, but I guess I was the only one that paid attention. So yeah, I knew the name, so I got two turtles and not just one. And now it looks like we're gonna get the sunset on this beach as well. We arranged with the taxi driver to pick us up at 6:40, so that's like 10 minutes after the sunset. be it here from Puerto Escondido. We've absolutely loved this place. We've actually been here for 2 weeks, even though we just made 3 videos. But yeah, we've just been resting a bit, and we also got food poisoning the first week, so that kind of wiped out 4 or 5 days, unfortunately. But yeah, we still had a great time here, and we just love the vibe of the place and how the coast looks. And we were planning on heading to Chiapas after Puerto Escondido, but since we've been enjoying this coast so much, we're gonna actually stop at some other touristic places along the coast in Oaxaca. So the next spot is going to be called Zipolite, which is supposed to be even more laid back than here, so looking forward to seeing that, and there's going to be plenty more beach vlogs coming up. So if you like this video, just drop a like as usual, subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you around.